We have been this week marking the 5th anniversary of the COVID pandemic that shut down New York City and then shut down the rest of the tri-state and the country. Mayor Adams honoring healthcare workers today on the front lines at Elmhurst Hospital in Queens, a kind of ground zero back then where at the height, 13 patients a day were dying. The mayor today saying New Yorkers proved stronger than the deadly virus, but we know the margin in that equation was horribly slim. Here's NJ Burkett.
It will be remembered as one of the darkest times in the history of New York. Ambulances crisscrossing the city, emergency rooms overwhelmed with patients. But it began 5 years ago this week in Elmhurst, Queens.
This space here, Elmhurst Hospital, was the place where America looked and said, if they can get through it, we all can get through it.
Today, Mayor Adams honored the staff of Elmhurst Hospital, commemorating COVID-19 Remembrance Day, the day 5 years ago when the first known case of the disease was confirmed in New York. In the years that followed, more than 46,000 city residents would die.
The pandemic was not a crisis, it was a revelation. It revealed the depths of our resilience, but also the cracks in our system, the vulnerabilities that must never be ignored again.
In the early weeks of the pandemic, the struggles at Elmhurst made worldwide headlines, where the staff worked long hours with very little to protect them from a virus for which there was no cure. Former Mayor Bill de Blasio.
This was the greatest, most profound crisis in the history of New York City. And there was an epicenter within the epicenter, and we are standing in it right now.
Experts say the city conquered COVID-19 because 98% of New Yorkers had at least one dose. Dr. Ted Long ran the city's testing and tracing network.
So you would say New Yorkers saved themselves, didn't they?
I would say New Yorkers saved New York City, no question. And the result is countless lives were saved because of what New Yorkers did to protect the city.
The legacy of New York City's COVID response is the playbook for the next pandemic. Protocols for testing, contact tracing, and mass vaccination, giving the city a fighting chance to manage it. In Elmhurst, Queens, NJ Burkett, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.